you're trying to figure out how people have been replacing their income with this thing online called affiliate marketing, I'm going to show you an exact game plan that you can implement right now to make $3,000 per month straight from home. And the best part is you can start this week. What's going on? My name is Antonio Carter of Emancipation Occupation, help you get freedom from your 9-to-5 jobs. What I do is I help people build online businesses from home. I introduce many different models, only what works, specifically affiliate marketing, because hands down, it is the simplest and best way to start an online business and be profitable and change your life. Let's jump right into it, shall we? Ha! That was a corny little dad joke, I understand. I gotta break the ice a little bit. Listen, let's jump right into it. Step 1, choose a high ticket commission product. When it comes to affiliate marketing, you tell people all the time what you do, what you purchase, if you like it or not. And if it's something that you promote, you tell everybody and their moms about it, except you don't get paid for it. Well, in this case, step 1 is to choose a product that you like, that you enjoy, that you love, and make sure it is a recurring commission. We can do one of two things here. We could either find a digital product that brings us high commission from a one purchase, or we can make passive income because every time somebody renews a subscription, for example, you get a commission of that amount of, let's say, 25 to 50% every single month that this person renews their subscription. So again, for example, let's take this product HBA, the Home Business Academy. You sign up, it's 25 bucks a month. Every time they use your affiliate link because you said it's so phenomenal, they pay you 20 bucks each month that this person pays their subscription. It's something that they need every day. They're going to use it all the time. So they're going to keep their subscription for a long time. You will get paid $20 every single time for the longevity, aka passive income. Now imagine if you had 10, 20, 50, 100 people over the course of a year paying this amount out. Your income is going to grow every single month and you'll be able to depend upon it. This is why I call it a high commission product. Go choose yours right now. Step number 2, we're going to build a very simple sales funnel, taking your prospect of a buyer from point A to point B. Many a times people will offer some type of freebie, something of great value in exchange for your email. All the companies do this. This isn't just an affiliate marketing thing. I went to a college basketball event and an insurance company was there and they were taking pictures. They allowed me to take a free picture. And in order for me to retain that picture, guess what they asked me for? You got it right. An email address. Now they have my email address in their database and they can promote to me all the time because of this free product that they offered. I created a video some time ago called the $1 million funnel. All the people who are successful do this. It's only like 3 steps per se. It's really 2 steps, but 3 steps initially. You can create your funnel using the HBA product. It's so simple. It's just a few clicks of a button in order to create your sales page. I've created many of them myself. You don't need something like ClickFunnels or System.io. It's super cheap and affordable. Highly recommend that. As long as you're just making simple funnels. Then you're going to attach your email autoresponder to it. You're going to have pre-made emails and you're going to put it. This is how I've been able to help people make $8,000, $10,000, and $20,000 weeks, not months, but weeks. Okay, so we've selected our high commission product, which is going to be a recurring product in this case if you're using HBA. Then you're going to build a simple sales funnel. Everybody should be doing this. I don't care whether you're selling pencils, books, or digital product. And then number 3 is creating content with your content plan. Now, before I go into detail about step number 3, I want to let you know about my affiliate marketing video course that I just created. This is the first one I've created. I've been affiliate marketing for over 10 plus years and never sold my own affiliate marketing course. So here you go. This is the shortcut in order to make your first 10K in 90 days. This is what I do every single day. I have a checklist and all of that stuff. So go ahead, check that out. It's discounted for the first 10 people who purchase. After 10 people make the purchase, the price is going to nearly be 4 times the amount of what it is now. So go ahead, get it while you can. Grab it after this video is done. Step number 3, create 1 to 2 core pieces of content every single day. This sounds crazy, but listen, when it comes to AI, you don't really need AI. You can do this yourself, but AI really does the shortcut. I have a YouTube channel, obviously, which is how you're watching me. I have TikTok. I have LinkedIn. I have all the platforms. And so what I do is I create one little piece of content. I put it on one platform, and then I use another software called repurpose.io. It takes that one video and puts them all on the other platforms for me. All I do is take my phone, I record myself talking or walking or working out, and then I have text over the top of it. That's it. No talking or anything. And I generate thousands upon thousands of views. Just check it out. Go look at my YouTube shorts and you'll see what I do. The game has never been easier. And now with AI, it can create the text for you, and all you got to do is literally copy and paste. Again, if you want access to this and how I do it every single day, whether it's with your face or a faceless video, with a software that I use called syllabi.io, which is an all-in-one faceless video creator or generator, go ahead, download my free affiliate marketing starter kit. That's also down below in the description. Then, of course, step 4, make sure that you are following up via email. Back in step 2, we created a simple sales funnel. You were able to collect the email and you already had some emails fired up. But after like 5 or 6 or 7 days, you'll do something what's called broadcasting. And this is where you actually write the email and they are not preloaded in the email sequence. You can have these emails already written out, but I'm going to tell you something. I'm going to give you a little secret. One of the reasons I was able to make $20,000 for a client of mine in like 8 days with email is because I made the emails relevant to that point and that time. And I created what's called themed events. I don't have the time to go into that. It's within my course called The Six Figure Emailer. It's completely free, but I only give that out when people use my affiliate link to get an account with an active campaign. If you're interested in that, let me know. But what I do is I go through 3 to 5 to 7 days and I just bang out emails about what's happening now and I'm promoting something. Okay. You don't have to necessarily promote to sell, but if you have some free content, when I upload this YouTube video, guess what? I'm going to shoot it out to my email list and let them know, hey, I just uploaded some new content and I think it can really help you out. I'm following up with my email. Hopefully that makes sense. So those are the 4 steps that you need. You don't need anything else. Let's keep it simple. So once again, I'm going to give you access, use my affiliate link to the HBA software. It has all the templates. The community is phenomenal. Definitely use the affiliate program that they have because anytime that you make a sale of their product, you make $20. It's probably one of the best things to do if you're looking to make $3,000 per month. I'm definitely going to leave the link below. I want you to access it. I truly believe in this product and their community. As a matter of fact, when you sign up for HBA, let me know down in the comments, shoot me an email or whatever. I will send you my affiliate marketing video course absolutely for free. I will give you free access if you do that. This way, you'll have the tools to hit your first $3,000 month faster. And you'll also have the knowledge in order to hit your first 10K in 90 days or less. So that's the exact plan that I would follow. That's what's working for a lot of individuals. I remix it a little bit, but I'm also giving you my experience. Now let's put all this theory into action. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to reach 10,000 subscribers. It's taken forever, but let's go, baby. I need to ramp this up. I need your support. I appreciate you viewing. All the links are in the description. Don't forget to watch this video next, right here, to take your business to the next level. All right, we're not playing any games this year. Let's finish this year strong. I'll see you guys in the next one.